Hi there, I'm Mr. Orr, and what we're going to do right now is take a look at the second method of rotating this triangle about a point that is not the origin. You will recall in the previous video that what we did was to move the axes up to here so that this became the origin. So I moved this axis over and this axis up, and I had 2, 3 as the new origin, and then we rotated about this point, and I could use this chart because this is based on 0, 0, and this became the new 0, 0. That involved moving the axes this way. I'm now going to move the triangle this way so that I can use 0, 0. And here's what we do. If this point here, to get this point to 0, 0, I would have to go over 2, down 3. So I'm going to take every point of this triangle and move it over 2 and down 3. So this point goes 1, 2, down 1, 2, 3, goes to here. This point goes over 2 and down 3 to here, and this point over 2 and down 3 to here. So this now is my new triangle, simply moved down and over so that I have essentially taken this point 2, 3 and moved it to the origin, and the triangle is now oriented according to this point having moved to here. All right, now I take that triangle and rotate it, and remember that xy becomes y negative x with a 90-degree clockwise rotation, which is what we're doing. So I have to take these points here. This is 2, 2. This point is 6, 3. And this point up here is 4, 5. Now, I follow this pattern, so this becomes 2, negative 2, 3, negative 6, and 5, negative 4. All right? So according to this origin now, I'm going to plot 2, negative 2, which is here. I'm going to plot 3, negative 6, which is here. And I'm going to plot 5, negative 4, which is here. All right? Now, that's the rotation. Oops, let's make that line a little bit straighter. That is the rotation, but we're not finished yet because, as you can see, all right, there we go. It's a little better. Okay, as you can see, we rotated it about here, but the intent was to rotate it about here. So now I have to take this and move it up 3 and over 2 in order to get to the right place. So I move every point up 2 and let's see, excuse me, up 3 and over 2. Actually, let's do it x comma y. So let's go over 2 and up 3. So over 2 and up 3 goes to here, over 2 and up 3 to here, over 2, over 2 and up 3 to here. Now, this is the final answer right here. If I could draw the line straight, it would be better. All right, that's the final answer. Now, let's see if that agrees with the one that we did previously where we moved the axes to here. So the points that we have are 4, 1, that's here. We have 7, negative 1, that's here. And we have 5, negative 3, that's here. So in fact, we ended up at the same place. So again, what we did was to move the triangle so that this, so in other words, we moved this point over 2 and down 3. So we moved every one of these points over 2 and down 3. So this triangle is now oriented to this origin. Then we rotated it, and then we moved it back over 2 and up 3. And we ended up with the same solution. So you have two different ways of doing this. And actually, you can choose either one. Probably it's a little easier if you move the axes, but I know for some people this method might work better. All right, thank you very much.